Who will survive? Whether it's this pandemic, any other calamity, some challenge, who are those people who will be able to survive? What do you really need to have to be able to survive any challenge? Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, your happiness coach, and I help leaders become the most sought after leaders by having deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. If you find the video meaningful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. There are 2 new videos that are published here every day. So, who do you think will survive? Sorry. So, I was reading this quotation by Charles Darwin, and it said that it's neither the strongest of the species or the most intelligent of them who are going to survive. So neither the strongest nor the most intelligent, but it's the people who are adaptable to change that will survive. Yeah. And how critical, what an important point he's made through this. And it just made me think, and I thought I'm going to share with you that, even when this pandemic struck, there were a bunch of people who were very quick to really adapt, who didn't waste time sulking or thinking and moaning, and who were like, what can we do? They got into manufacturing of masks. I know of people in my circle who were very quick to respond, and they just got into it. Yeah. And then there were lots others who did the same. And the whole point is कि कितनी भी strength हो मेरे पास, कितना भी बड़ा infrastructure है, कितनी भी बड़ी team है, I am super intelligent, always coming up with amazing ideas, market leader, but if I am not adapting, do you think it'll work? This pandemic has been a classic case in point, but otherwise also you talk about your organization, right? A lot of times when I'm talking to leaders, what are your topmost challenges? What do you want to solve for? What are the problems you want to solve for? The topmost challenges, all the organizational changes that are happening is difficult to really, to adapt to. That's the whole point. That's not even in your control. आपके हाथ में नहीं है मैनेजमेंट कब बदल जाएगा, चीजें क्या बदलेंगी, कल को कहाँ क्या होता है. You have no idea, but that's a big challenge because we are not attuned to really adapting to those changes. And if and only if we can adapt to changes will we be able to survive. So as corporate employees, if you have been able to survive, it's only because you could adapt to the changes that were happening. And these were changes of different order altogether, right? But people who've not been able to, adapt, वो अभी तक भी यही क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं कि कैसे होगा, वापस कब नॉर्मल होगा, हाइब्रिड मॉडल कैसा होगा, ऑफिस जाना पड़ेगा फिर कैसे होगा, अगर नहीं जाना है तो घर से कैसे होगा, ये कैसे करें. So it doesn't matter how intelligent you are, how amazing you are, but if you cannot adapt to the situations or things that are happening around, you won't be able to survive. And that applies everywhere. It applies at an organization's level, it applies at an individual level, in your personal space, in your professional space. Being able to adapt is the biggest strength that you could have if you want to survive. I hope you found this meaningful. This was just a reminder to put on your thinking caps and really see how can you build that muscle and how can you really adapt. Instead of running away, instead of fighting it out, just think how can you adapt to the whole situation. Go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.